Email configuration in Busy. Do you know that you can email invoice reports directly from Busy? With the help of this video, we will see how a Gmail user can configure email in Busy. For this, we will go to Administration, Configuration, Email Configuration option. On clicking this option, this window appears. Here, first of all, we need to select email sending option. If your email is configured through Microsoft Outlook or through Outlook Express, select that. Right now, we are selecting send directly option. Next, you need to select the format in which you want to send the report, such as PDF attachment, email body text, XML attachment, PDF plus XML attachment. Next, you need to specify the server configuration. Here, specify the SMTP server of Gmail. Under username, you need to specify the Gmail ID and password. Here, you need not to specify the Gmail ID password. Instead, you need to specify the app password. For this, first of all, we'll log into the Gmail ID and click on Google App Launcher. Click Account, click on Security, click Two-Step Verification, Get Started. Here, you need to specify the mobile number and enter the code received on that mobile number. After specifying the code, click Turn On. So, in this manner, two-step verification is turned on. After that, click on App Password option appearing below two-step verification. Here, you need to select the app, select Other and specify the device name as Busy and click on Generate button. On clicking Generate button, app password is generated. Copy this password and paste this in Busy here. Paste this password. Now, specify the sender name in this data field. Under reply to, specify the Gmail ID. If you want to fix email header, specify here such as Dear Sir, Greetings. Email footer, for example, with due regards. Next, specify the port code. For Gmail, port code can be 465 or 587. Now, after specifying all the configuration, click on Test Account Setting to verify the details. Email sent successfully. That means all the details specified here are correct. Now, we will save this configuration. After that, we will send an invoice through email. We will modify a sale voucher. We will click on Email button provided at the top right. Specify the ID on which you want to send email. Email sent successfully. Now we will check on that email ID. You can see the email is received along with the PDF attachment. So in this manner, you can configure email for your Gmail ID and can send invoice or reports directly from Busy through your Gmail ID. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.